Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, ang tagal nyo nang nire-request to sa akin, and it's my updated skincare routine. But for this one, it's just my morning skincare routine muna na ipapakita ko sa inyo, just because I do a different skincare routine at night. And kung gagawin ko yun sa isang video, medyo magiging mahaba siya. So ngayon, habang umaga at kakagising ko lang, gagawin ko tong skincare routine na to para mapakita ko sa inyo. So kung interesado kayo or mayroon man kayong questions along the way, do let me know in the comment section down below, and let's get started. For the first step, I'll be using this Rice Water Bright from the Face Shop. This is their cleansing milk. So ito yung parang ginagamit ko na facial wash. Kasi guys, sobrang lakas maka-fresh nitong product na to. My friend Eunice got this for me in Korea. Pero I'm not sure kung mayroon pa dito sa atin sa Philippines. Kasi yung Rice Water Bright line dito sa atin is hindi complete. So ayun nga, I just pump a few products. Parang mga 3 to 4. So ganyan. So ganyan lang yung texture niya. Cream siya, so para talaga siyang gatas. And then, I just massage it on my face in a circular motion. So, ang ingay ng aso nung kapitbahay namin. Circular motion lang. I use din yung cleansing foam, pero mas ginagamit ko yun sa gabi kasi sobrang galing makatanggal ng makeup noon. Kahit din naman to, pero ito talaga mayroon siyang effect na sobrang nakaka-fresh and hindi siya drying sa skin. Kaya ito yung gusto kong gamitin pagka morning. Sa neck, the struggle is real, ha? We're done massaging it on our face, and now I will be rinsing it off with a lukewarm water, and I'll be back. So yan guys, I'm back, and ngayon nagwa-wonder kayo bakit hindi ako nagpunas ng mukha ko. Kasi nalaman ko yun sa mga pinapanood ko na Korean YouTubers that you don't use towel sa face kasi it tends to dry out your face, cause bacteria of course, and acne kasi nga madumi yung towel, madaming bacteria na na-accumulate. So sabi nila, ang tip nila is you pat your face with the water. So, ganyan. Noong una, hindi ko rin kaya kasi nga, sanay ako na towel as in, ganon. Pero nung na-realize ko na, oo nga, no, mas less na hindi na nagda-dry yung face ko. So, I just pat it in like this. Or, kung sobrang nagmamadali kayo at wala talaga kayong patience, you can use a tissue and then you pat it like this. Para kung gusto niya talaga siyang matuyo agad. So, disclaimer, I'm not saying that I'm an expert when it comes to skincare. Everything that I do is just what I do for my skin, and it worked for me. So, nasa inyo na yon, decision nyo kung gusto nyo i-try or i-risk. Pero, ayun nga, hindi naman ibig sabihin ng lahat na nag-work sa akin ay mag-work din sa inyo. Okay, so next step is exfoliating. I use this black sugar mask wash off from Skin Food. This is one of my favorite Korean skincare products ever. As in, isa sa mga favorite masks ko talaga. I use this twice a week lang, guys, kasi harsh siya sa skin. I mean, you don't exfoliate every day. Pero, hindi ko alam sa iba. Pero ako kasi twice a week lang. So, this is just a mask that you apply on your face. Ganyan yung itsura niya. Paubos na to. Tapos, sobrang bango talaga nito. So, if you chance up upon Skin Food, bili kayo nito. Sobrang ganda talaga nito. And it's really worth it. It's just 300 something pesos. And sobrang nag-work siya for exfoliation. But I'm not gonna be using this now kasi kaka-exfoliate ko lang. So, if you follow me on IG or nakita nyo na sa YouTube ko, you just use this as a mask. As in, kuha lang kayo, apply it on your face, let it stay for 20 to 30 minutes, and then you rinse it off. So, next part is my favorite. Actually, pag sobrang nagmamadali na ako papunta ng work, hanggang dito na lang nag-end yung skincare ko. So, this is my favorite toner. I've said this multiple times, as in, paulit-ulit na. And this is the Supple Preparation Facial Toner from Dear Klairs. It's a Korean brand, and I love them so much. You can check it out at Wishtrend or Althea Korea. I'll be putting all the links down below where you can get these products that I mentioned. And guys, this is super duper nice. The people from Wishtrend are really, ay nako guys, sobrang bait nila. Sayang lang kasi hindi ko sila na-meet sa Korea when I was there because I didn't have time. But when I go back soon, magmi-meet kami. Anyway, this toner is the best toner I've had my whole life. It's just really gentle on the skin, and you can use it for the 7 skin method. Yun yung isa sa mga uso sa Korea. You apply the toner 7 times. I do that before, pero ngayon nga, since nagmamadali ako lagi, as usual, I just use it like 3 times. So, ganito lang yung itsura niya. Ayan. This is, by the way, 990 pesos or so. Ilalagay ko na lang sa link sa baba yung mga prices. So, ganyan lang siya. I-apply ko lang. And I usually use my hands and then pat it on my skin. mas effective siya for me. And this, guys, it doesn't have alcohol. So gentle on the skin, and it makes your skin absorb more of your skincare. Kaya sobrang ganda. You can check it out on their website. It's one of their best sellers because it's really that good. As in, worldwide. Sobrang nire-rave tong toner na to. So, yan. You just pat it on your skin. You can use the cotton pads. I also have their cotton pads. Pero, I use my hands more kasi mas madali siya. So, I'll just be applying 3 para hindi naman sobrang ano. So, yan. And then, you just pat it on your neck gently. Sobrang moisturizing nito. Kahit wala kayong moisturizer. Ay, guys, grabe. Sobrang ganda ng skin nyo the whole day. I swear, I promise. If you get this toner, do let me know. I promise you 100% that it will really work. So, kung merong excess, apply it on your arms. Kung ayaw nyo masayang yung product. Kasi pwede talaga siyang gamitin sa body. So, yan. And we are done with the toner. So, next step naman tayo. Next step is essence. What I use is this Chica y Chico Skin Glow Essence. I love this product so much. I've been using it for months now. And I got this from Althea, Korea. This is inexpensive. It's just around 600 or 700 pesos. And this one really works in brightening your face. And what I love about this product, guys, kasi holographic siya. So, para siyang yung unicorn, yung itsura, ganyan. Baka hindi masyadong kita, pero ganyan yung itsura niya. It's just an essence, and I just use mga 3 to 4 drops. Apply it on my face just like so. Ganyan lang, gently. Para kung paano kayo nag-a-apply ng moisturizer. I use this kasi it really makes my skin glow. Kaya yung mga nagtatanong, bakit po nag-glow yung face nyo? Or bakit siya radiant? I use serums or essences for that matter na nakaka-brighten talaga. Gusto ko yung nababrighten yung face ko. Kasi syempre, umiitim naman tayo everyday dahil sa araw. Pero ito, na-maintain nga yung aking skin tone. So, ganyan lang. And then again, I pat it. And be gentle on your skin when you apply the skincare products. It really takes time for your skin to absorb it. So, yan. Ganyan lang, guys. Apply nyo lang siya sa buong face. Next is the eye cream. I use this Mijon Multifunction Formula Snail Repair Eye Cream. And I love this product. Sobrang mura lang nito. Wala pa siyang 1,000 pesos. And, guys, sobrang laki ng product na to as in. Tignan nyo naman. Tapos, meron na din siyang spatula. So, kailangan talaga sa akin ng eye cream. Because you can see my eye bags. Sobrang laki talaga. You can get this again from Althea, Korea. I got mine from Sush. Nagkikarry talaga sila ng Mijon. Dati pa. And you can also get this from Ate May Satsuki. Walang kayo ng ganito. Kaliit. Use the spatula para hindi mag-accumulate ng bacteria dun sa loob ng packaging ng products ninyo. And then, just get a bit of this. Napadami pala. Apply it on your eyes. You use your ring finger, guys. Kasi ito yung sobrang gentle talaga. So, para hindi magkaroon ng lines. And then, you just pat it. Ganyan. Pasensya na kung tumitingin ako dito sa screen para lang ma-make sure na nakikita nyo. Tapos, ipat nyo ulit dito sa kabilang side. So, ang gusto ko dito is that nafe-feel mong na-moisturize yung eye area. You guys know I love using concealer, so kailangan talagang prepped yung aking eyes and it's really moisturized. Kasi kahit anong gamitin mo na concealer na maganda, pero dry yung skin or hindi maganda yung texture, talagang magbubuo-buo siya. That's why it's really important to have a skincare or apply something sa base ninyo. Kasi kung hindi maganda yung base, hindi talaga mag-work yung product. So we're down to the second to the last step and I'll be applying my favorite moisturizer. Actually guys, paubos na to. Sobrang favorite ko to but it's kinda expensive. And this is the Dear Klairs Rich Moist Soothing Cream. Ito yung moisturizer na una kong naubos. Like wala pa atang 1 month kasi sobrang na-addict ako dito. I have redness here as you can see. Pero pag ginagamit ko to, talagang na-minimize niya. And may time na nawala talaga. So I really love this product. It works so good. It's so gentle on the face and I love the smell kasi para siyang organic something. Gusto ko yung mga ganon, yung hindi heavy yung scent. And mag-apply lang ako ng ganyang product. Wala nang lumalabas. Sobrang ganda ng product na to as in. You can check that out at wishtrend.com. I'll be putting the link down below. You can order. Minsan may free worldwide shipping sila. So ayan, I'll just be applying the moisturizer on my face. Hi guys, sobrang gustong-gusto ko talaga yung moisturizer na to. If I have a favorite skincare product in my whole life, it would be the ones from Dear Klairs. It's just so good. So, yan. Apply on your neck as well. Don't neglect the neck. Kasi usually nakakalimutan natin. Ay, sobrang ganda talaga ng moisturizer na to. As in, I live by this moisturizer. If there's one moisturizer I can use my whole life, it's this product. We're down to the last tip, and I'll be using this Clavu or Clavu. I'm not sure how you pronounce it. And this is the Red Pearlsation UV Protection City Defensor. This was actually given by Caris. You can get it from their website, and I knew na yung brand na to is under the Face Shop. That's why it's really nice. I love this product kasi sobrang ganda niya sa skin. And it protects my skin from the harmful rays of the sun. So it's really important to apply sunblock. Ito kasi ang ganda dahil pearl siya. So, ang ganda ng effect niya sa skin. Meron talaga siyang glow. Tapos guys, sobrang bango ng product na to. As in talaga. I also apply dito sa ears, lalo na pagka nagpo-ponytail. Siyempre, kailangan ma-protect din siya. Yan guys, that's it for my Korean skincare routine for the morning. And I'm really loving all these products. I've been using this for months. Yung iba, last year pa talaga. And I use them regularly, religiously. But ayun nga, again, I'm just saying that everything worked for me. Pero hindi naman ibig sabihin nun mag-work sa inyo. But do let me know if you guys already tried these products. Let me know in the comment section down below para malaman ko din yung experience niyo. And I hope you enjoyed this short video. Ang tagal nyo na itong nire-request. And sana natulungan ko kayo. Ang aking tip lang talaga is you do your skincare regimen regularly. Drink water, like lots of water, because it really hydrates your skin and your body. Sobrang important nun. And always remove your makeup. Those are the 3 tips that I just want to share with you guys that really works. As in, ganun lang kasimple. Walang sikreto or anything. I actually don't go to the derma kasi takot ako. But maybe soon kasi I'm already getting older. So, kailangan na talagang maalagaan yung skin. Yeah, that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye!